Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been posting this video after a while and you must be missing me already. Jokes apart, there was nothing significant to be honest to be posted as a video. So I have been posting shorts in between, which you must have received the notifications if you have subscribed to my channel. So in this video I have covered my recent trip to Scenic World Blue Mountains.
What's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you.
I had the unlimited discovery pass, with the help of which you can have unlimited rides for Scenic Railway, Skyway, Cableway throughout the day. We started with Scenic Skyway. Suspended 270 meters above ancient ravines, breathtaking views of rainforest canopy are revealed beneath your feet through the electro-glass cabin floor. Opened in 1958, the Scenic Skyway was Australia's first cable car. Wide between cliff tops and panoramic views of World Heritage landscapes on the Scenic Skyway. And here comes Scenic Railway, which according to me is the most exciting ride of all. So discover the thrill of 52 degrees incline in open terrain, riding the steepest passenger railway in the world. We ended our rides with the Scenic Cableway. This fully enclosed cabin is a unique vantage point for viewing iconic rock formations including Three Sister, Orphan Rock, or Mount Solitary. With this, I came to the end of this video. I have left behind some beautiful captures of the valley. Thanks for watching, and until we meet next time, do take care of yourself. Bye bye.